This video will show you how to replace the lower mirror glass on a Ford Transit-250. This will be mounted to your outside mirror. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To replace the lower mirror glass, we're going to carefully pry this out of place, but you may find that the glass itself breaks. I'm just going to use some painter's tape. We'll make a clear strip across here. Now if it does break, hopefully this will hold it in place so it doesn't make its way all over the ground or potentially in my eyes. I have hand and eye protection. Let's start the removal process for this. I'm going to be using a plastic trim tool. We'll angle the mirror glass in a direction that we can easily gain access behind it, and we'll carefully start prying out. There is going to be a circular ring with several locking tabs. Just pop that free, pull it out of place. There's our small circular ring directly in the center here, several locking tabs. There it is, friend. Go ahead and set that aside for disposal. Now, prior to installing any brand new part, let's make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. Of course, this is your mirror. You can clean it as well as you deem fit, but the main area to focus on is this circular area in the center. That's where the new mirror glass will sit. For this, I'm just going to use a clean rag and I'll use some glass cleaner. Just a quick wipe. Make sure it is reusable, nothing's damaged. Now it's time for installation of the brand new lower mirror glass. Let's have a quick look along the back side. Now in this area, you can see that we do have the circular port with our locking tabs that will fit over this circular area here, as I mentioned. Line it up, press it in, listen for an audible click from those locking tabs. We're pressing in the center. There we are. Double check to make sure it's secured. It should not fall out of place. Now at this point, go ahead and clean the mirror glass, set it to your preferences, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.